Alright, this is a Lionel 600, and I see a lot of videos of these running backwards, and it's probably because they're broken and they only run backwards. So let's take a look inside. See, it won't go forward, only runs backwards. And okay, there's not much to taking these apart, but just one screw. But you can see when it goes forward how the armature pops up. So I looked at the drawings, and there's supposed to be a bearing in there to keep it from doing this. In there or on top of the armature shaft. And my first attempt is in another video, and it actually works a little bit, but this was my actual solution. Now, I couldn't get the exact parts. It's going to take like 7 days to get here to fix this. So I ran to the hobby store and I got some thrust washers onto the top of the armature. Now, I've got my 4 washers in there. You can see them on there, but this is how I reassemble it. I put the armature on so the brushes don't slip out. I put it down into the hole, and then there I've got it.